You are so beautiful. Yes, you are.
The cellular data confirms a 20% increase in Weald.
Good boy.
The tracking data shows a clear migration pattern towards the south pasture this week.
That aligns with the sensor readings.
We should adjust the feeders.
Okay, sounds good. You are a very healthy little guy. Yes, you are.
As you can see on this graph, the automated feeders have reduced labor costs by 15% while improving feed conversion rates.
base, this is team lead. Subject in pen 4 is active and standing. Prepare for vitals check.
Movement seems healthy, no signs of distress.
The nutritional absorption rates have stabilized significantly.
What caused this spike right here?
That was the adjusted protein intake, leading to the synchronization.
The clearance on the right. Okay, mark down, that's load 77 complete.
As you can see on the monitors, the cellular forms are reacting positively to the compound.
Interesting. How does that correlate with the donkey sample results?
You're such a sweet donkey, yes you are.
As you can see from the data streams, the bottle line is exceeding targets by 15%. The leather processing is steady.
We need to optimize the feeding schedule in these sectors before the next quarter.
Agreed. The current growth rate is slightly below projections. I'll update the logistics team.
You're such a good boy, aren't you?
Yes, you are.
The data confirms a 20% increase in efficiency since the last cycle.
Remarkable, and the cellular structures are stable.
Base, this is Unit 3. The subject is calm and drinking. Levels are nominal.
Rumen pH levels are consistent across the board. We are cleared for the next feeding cycle.
Confirmed. Inform the ground team.
Base 3, confirm loading complete.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Yield rates are steady at 650 liters per hour.
From our family farms to the advanced technology at the factory, we bring you the freshest dairy products every day.